In this preview, we share only two parts. Conclusion part 1 and transit effect of Sun. First we share with you transit effect of the Sun for the whole month plus conclusion part 1 out of the 10 parts of the whole premium content for the monthly horoscope report. The 10 parts are like that: transit effect of Sun for the month of coming month, transit effect of the Mercury, transit effect of Mars, transit effect of Venus. Transit effect of Sun defined you how the decision maker will behave with you, how the land of the law will treat you, and how anybody who have a wealth, power and authority, their attitude toward you, and also your reactions toward them. Transit of Mercury's impact on you for the whole month is your flow of income, your flow of career, flow of job, profession, career, flow of information through communication, what you're going to learn through communication, and your flow of progression. Transit effect of Mars will create an impact on your family life, your friendship, your relationship, your courage, your confidence, your action and reaction in any tricky situation. Transit of Venus defined you. First, your love life, your romantic life, your relationship, anything to do with romance or relationship. Transit of Venus also defined you, your success rate if you're going for an interview or presentation or exam or test. Your name and fame and establishment, your recognition and appreciation, that is transit of Venus will define you. Conclusion part 1, conclusion part 2, conclusion part 3. There are 9 parts in each part have 3 parts. So in the whole month we divided into 9 parts. Define each part, give you its own pleasantness, positive side, negative sides. That is happening because for us the whole month we divide into 9 parts and we put the whole microscope in the whole month, and each and every section will give you its own taste. Sometimes is bitter, sometimes is very sweet, sometimes is mediocre. Things can happen. Astrological task. What you need to do if you're trapped in any ugly situation or trapped in any unpleasant situation in the month. How you can maneuver the astrological equation with the help of task. You can do that if you want to. Precautions, what you shouldn't do. What discipline you should acquire. Chanting is sacred words, spiritual words. You can create a vibration with the help of those chantings, sacred chanting. That will help you spiritually. You can overcome any situation, you can get a boost, and that is, you can exercise the whole chanting whole month. You can accomplish your success, but only with the help of focus, concentration and passion. These are all contents of premium content. If you want the premium content, you can buy directly from my website, prakashastrologer.com. The whole premium content you can, because all my weekly, monthly, yearly horoscope reports are applied horoscope report. They're not like it says predictions given to you. Yes, but there are task, precaution, chanting. You can change and maneuver the whole astrological equation with the help of task, precaution, chanting. But only depend on your will and discipline. Yes. Pisces transit of Sun in 10th house, 16 December till 14th of January. May I say this is a favorable time, Pisces. It donates gains, promotion, progression, success in your undertaking. You may expect your promotion at workplace, favor of your seniors, honor from these authorities. Even more opportunity could be expected is possible. This period also donates success in your venture. Favorable culmination of any stuck-up deal. Socially, you may expect a even more respectable position. Your social circle will be get widened, meaning more positive, gainful interaction, particularly with companion. Honor from your own circle of friend, acquaintances. You may even expecting a honor by the highest of authority. You could be expecting a gain from unexpected quarters. Your health will be at the best. Overall happiness would be surrounded you. Sun transit in 10th house, the other facets. This is a time of the year when you should turn your attention in the most outward aspect of your life. Your career. your role in larger society, your standing and reputation within the community. You should also take the time to examine your life as a whole and see if you are going in the right direction. You want and making adequate progression in your life. The 10th house relates to the manifestation of your ego drive within the social context, not as personal or any other house. No, it affects most strongly the most external area of your life, which are nevertheless extremely important. One possible effect of the sun in this house is to put you into limelight, either a small time or larger scale you will be, depending upon the normal course of your life. You may be called upon to take over the direction of the tasks or project in which you would have considerable power. But take a note that responsibility will be equally great. It is extremely important to approach such opportunity with a proper knowledge of your strength and weakness. At this time, you do not have to be super strong or competent to succeed, because the nature flow of energy is within you. But you should know as much as possible about the real capability. Do not pretend to do something or not, because the truth will eventually come out. If you have this particular misrepresenting yourself, you will be damaged. Pisces, conclusion part 1. In this phase of time, you will have tremendous power and energy to carry out whatever you want to do in a beautiful manner. You fixate the purpose will be appreciated. Conclusion part 1, Pisces, the month of December. Conclusion part 1. Your fixate of purpose will be appreciated. You will also have a strong will to act positively. Even in adverse circumstances, situation, your social circle will be widened in this period. And there will be enhancement to your reputation. Frequent travel could be in evidence. Your relationship with your brothers, sisters will be fine. You might get some encouraging news through communication. Business trade prospect will be good. A promotion should be anticipated if employed anywhere. Yes, your hopes and desires, aspirations will be realized in this period. You could enter into new enterprise. There will be lots of support from your friends and well-wishers. This period should give you some substantial gain in your business trade. You might hear a good news regarding your close relatives. You will come in contact with people from far-off places. Traveling will be very useful. This period is also good as far as love life is concerned. The attitude of the family member will be quite nice toward you. During this particular phase of time, you'll make remarkable success in your field of activity. There will be considerable enhancement in your respect, honor. This period will make you capable of handling any kind of adverse situation due to your business job. Your relationship with your clients, associates, other concerned person will definitely improve as this particular rolls on. You will become possessive and would like to spend on luxurious item. The attitude of the family member will be very cordial toward you. Business trip are quite possible. Pisces, due to Mars smooth position in 8th house, watch your aggression, watch your temper. Be more practical, less emotional. Watch your attitude and refrain from any health issue regarding lower abdomen, digestive system, male or female health, any issue with blood or urine. Jupiter's transit effect, may I say that, in 12th house. Sometimes you can be all over the place, sometimes you will be out of comfort zone. Venus transit effect in 10th house. Venus transit position in 10th house, watch your professional decision choices. Sun, Mercury, Ketu in 9th house. You need elders' blessings. Whenever you need, you can take the elders' blessing and their guidance. Rahu's position in 3rd house. Refrain from investing ego in your communication, please. You might need a completed monthly horoscope report from my website, prakashastrologer.com. Complete monthly horoscope report will define you what you need to do. For example, define you the whole analysis of the month for the whole month. Define your sun's transit effect for the whole month. It's been decisions makers' attitude and behavior toward you. Mars transit effect, your courage and confidence and temper for the whole month. Your Mercury transit effect, your communication, you may say that your flow of income, your flow of business, your flow of career. Venus transit effect, your love life, your success rate, your flow of money for the whole month. Extensive monthly horoscope report will define you what astrological task you need to do if you're trapped in any ugly situation and how you can come out. what precautions you must implement in your routine to save your skin, what secret chanting you must exercise in the next 30 to 31 days to accomplish your goal. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the monthly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best.